Hey everyone, it's Ms. Nepi. Today we are fixing grammar mistakes that even intermediate and advanced speakers slip up on, the sneaky ones that sound almost right. I'll show you the wrong way, the right way, and why. Watch the words light up as I read each example. Let's level up. Mistake number 1, subject-verb agreement with intervening phrases. The wrong way, the list of items are on the table. The right way, the list of items is on the table. Remember, the real subject is list, which is singular. Don't be fooled by the plural word right before the verb. Mistake number 2, misplaced modifiers. The wrong way, she almost drove her kids to school every day. That actually means she nearly drove them, but didn't. The right way, she drove her kids to school almost every day. Remember, place the modifier right next to the word it's describing. Mistake number 3, dangling participles. The wrong way, walking down the street, the trees were beautiful. That literally says the trees were walking. The right way, walking down the street, I noticed the trees were beautiful. Remember, the opening phrase must describe the subject that comes right after the comma. Mistake number 4, affect versus effect. The wrong way, the medicine had a positive affect on her health. The right way, the medicine had a positive effect on her health. Remember, affect is usually a verb, meaning to influence something, while effect is usually a noun, meaning a result. Mistake number 5, fewer versus less. The wrong way, there are less students in this class. The right way, there are fewer students in this class. Remember, use fewer for things you can count, like students, and less for uncountable amounts, like time or water. Mistake number 6, comma splices. The wrong way, I finished my homework, I went to bed. That's two full sentences joined by just a comma, which isn't enough. The right way, I finished my homework, so I went to bed. Remember, connect two full sentences with a conjunction, a semicolon, or split them into two sentences. Mistake number 7, the subjunctive mood. The wrong way, if I was rich, I would travel the world. The right way, if I were rich, I would travel the world. Remember, for hypothetical or imaginary situations, use were, not was, even with I, he, or she. Mistake number 8, parallel structure. The wrong way, she likes reading, to write, and painting. The list mixes different verb forms. The right way, she likes reading, writing, and painting. Remember, keep every item in a list in the same grammatical form. Great job! You just leveled up with 8 grammar mistakes that trip up even advanced speakers. Try spotting these in your own writing this week. See you in the next lesson.